For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has been one of astronomy's greatest achievements. It orbits Earth silently, expanding our understanding of the universe. High above the atmosphere, Hubble captures space with exceptional clarity. Without atmospheric distortion, it reveals a sharper, more structured cosmos. Launched in 1990 aboard Space Shuttle Discovery, it marked a bold leap into space exploration. It combined years of engineering, science, and human curiosity into one instrument. At first, it was seen as a tool for clearer images of distant objects. But it soon changed how we understand the universe itself. Hubble transformed the night sky from blurry lights into a detailed cosmic landscape. Stars became massive, burning spheres with histories stretching billions of years. Their light shows the universe as it was long ago. Each star is a message from the deep past. Galaxies appeared not as smudges, but as vast structured systems. Their spiral arms and energetic cores revealed constant motion and evolution. Nebulae became visible as glowing clouds of gas and dust. They are regions where stars are born and die in endless cycles. Looking deeper into space meant looking back in time. Ancient galaxies revealed the early universe. Violent events like supernovas and black holes became visible. They showed the universe as active and powerful. Although built for deep space, Hubble also studies our solar system. It repeatedly observes the same regions over long periods. This reveals slow changes that are otherwise invisible. The universe is not static, it is always evolving. Even planets and moons are constantly changing. Nothing in space remains still forever. Hubble's Mars observations were especially important. They showed a planet with real seasonal activity. Mars changes in color, brightness, and surface detail. Its polar ice caps grow and shrink with seasons. Thin clouds move across its atmosphere. These patterns confirm a weak but active climate system. Hubble also recorded massive dust storms on Mars. Some storms covered the entire planet for months. In 2001, one storm completely hid the Martian surface. It showed how quickly Mars can change. Mars is not dead, it is dynamic and active. Its environment continues to evolve. Hubble also observed Phobos, Mars' moon. It is slowly moving closer to the planet. Over time, tidal forces are pulling it inward. It may eventually break apart or collide with Mars. The asteroid belt is not a static region. It is full of constant movement and change. Asteroids collide, break, and reshape the region. Some spin fast and shed material into space. Others crash and create clouds of debris. These fragments spread slowly across space. Even ancient space objects are active. They are part of ongoing cosmic evolution. Through it all, Hubble continues to observe silently. It still reveals a universe that is alive, changing, and vast.